Hey guys, my name is Cameron, the YouTube fans, and let's take a first look at the vacuum cleaner ornaments. So, iBasic has brought this ornaments too. So, if you like the iBasic vacuum cleaner YouTube channels, subscribe to him. So, now, this one has the bags. And this one has the 4 wheels, and it's lots of sparkling like a brush roll. And this one has headlights, and it has a cord right here. So this one looks like a Hoover convertible vacuum cleaner, which is a classic. And you almost match size like my Henry desktop vacuum cleaner. But if you look real closely, you can see on the left the bagged upright, on the right the bagged canister. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more vacuum cleaning videos, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great time.